Tailoradio is a solution provider specialized in-store radio, digital signage, IoT, and store analytics, with an end-to-end offering that includes professional audio-video systems design and installation, counting and analytics cameras, fragrance diffusers, and controllers. Every day, our dedicated business unit puts in the field highly qualified technical skills, the result of years of experience and deep understanding of specific customer needs. Thanks to the reliability of highly specialized teams of professionals located in different countries, Tailoradio is able to complete more than 600 projects a year. We design and install audio systems with BOSE professional products, digital signage with Philips, LG, NEC, and Samsung professional displays, in-store measurement systems with SmartCam V-Count and Xovis, IoT systems and PLC controls for multisensory and in-store interaction, fragrance diffusion tools. Tailoradio is an all-in-one provider for design, supply, installation, configuration, support, and maintenance, with an in-depth knowledge of in-store solutions to ensure the highest service levels.
Tailoradio. Retail sounds different.